Hello everyone, I'm Erika Veron and today I will pronounce the sound of some consonants, vowels, and diphthongs taking into account the International Phonetic Alphabet. I will also share the sound, examples of each sound, and a tongue twister. Consonants: breath, father, vowel, right, shop, television, check, just, sing, house. Vowels: e, eat, gym, get, cat, glass, hot, door, good, food, trust, bird, the diphthongs: a, date, I, my, oi, boy, ow, brown, go, ear, here, hair, here. Tongue twister: the very rare vision of a cheerful judge chasing a shy sheep through the thorny forest. Shout how joyful journeys surely share their sheep charm. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.